Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back. 25th of November. Trip comes to an end officially. Uh, Flight is at 4:40 p.m. today from Siliguri. I'll be checking out at 12, and after that we'll be heading towards Bagdogra, Siliguri Airport. Just have 3 hours in the morning. I'll go to the mall for one last time, and I'm going to check out one very special Tibetan restaurant called Sonam's Kitchen, which is just off the mall. It's one of those iconic restaurants which you can't miss. Which is very difficult to locate. It's a bit tucked away in a corner near the horse stable of Mall. So earlier there was to be a very big horse stable, and horses used to run amok at the Darjeeling Mall. But now the horse stable size is lessened. But still, people in Darjeeling know the horse stable by the smell of horse dung which comes. And in that dingy lane, if you go straight, crossing the horse stable is Sonam's Kitchen. Let's see if I can get a better picture of Kanchenjunga. And I was right. I came out. It was clear sunshine. Weather has cleared out throughout the night. And क्या picture है, क्या Kanchenjunga दिख रही है, भैंस की टांग. जरा आप देखिए इसको. ओह, मेरे GoPro में उतना zoom नहीं है, लेकिन आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या जबरदस्त दिख रही है आज. इसका तो बनता है यार बाहर आना. वर्थ है यार, वर्थ है. चार दिन यहाँ रहने के बाद ये चढ़ाई उतराई चढ़ते चढ़ते मुझे भी आदत सी हो गई है. अब थकता नहीं हूँ मैं. क्या पता ये हैबिट है या कांचनजंगा को इतना क्लियर देखने का जोश. ओह गॉड, जल्दी आओ मैल, जल्दी. क्लीन क्लियर, नो हसल बसल. You can just sit, gaze at the Kanchenjunga, take a pic. That's how it is. Oh, shops are slowly opening up. These are all iconic shops which you have seen in many movies. Many Bengali movies, Hindi movies. That's the Windermere Hotel. Opulence. Opulence, luxury, indulgence. Maybe the most oldest and most luxurious hotel in Darjeeling. Room prices upwards of 10,000. Yeah, my Ramada is a new property. It's actually a business hotel, not actually a heritage property. But nothing compared to these things. Like Sinclair's, Mayfair, Windermere. Mayfair is at a very prime location. Sinclair is at a prime location. Windermere, Elgin. A colonial hotel of India in the Himalayas. The gate of Windermere. I guess Milind Suman was staying here. ये कांचनजंगा व्यू पॉइंट आगे है क्या? I think the marathon ended here. I'd run towards that. People are very fitness conscious over here. I love Darjeeling. Do you? Because I certainly do. I certainly do love Darjeeling. Khana Club deserves a picture, isn't it? Guys, what happened afterwards at St. Andrew's Church when I was going towards Observatory Hill was an absolute disaster. My camera battery was exhausted. I didn't even know. Whole day yesterday I was shooting and I forgot to put it on charge. Generally Nikon D3400 has a lot of charge, but it got discharged, so I had to run back. I felt like killing myself over there, so I've just come back and I'm charging the battery. If you see how pathetic, how stupid. How can I be so careless and stupid, man? So I'm charging the battery. The good thing is Ramada is at such a strategic point that the Kanchenjunga is visible from the rooms, but my problem is I don't have a hill view room. But I have got hold of a guy who will take me to the terrace and let me shoot. But this is off the record, so he doesn't want me to tell this to the reception. So I got his number, and let me do this a bit clandestinely, should I say. मेरे कमरे के सामने आ जाओ, मैं उधर ही हूँ, मुझे लेके छत पे जाना फिर, ठीक है? ओके। was a horse stable. It's a bit broken, the road, and after walking around 200 meters you'll find this hidden gem, Sonam's Kitchen. It's not a hidden gem, it's very well known for its breakfast. The timings are 8 to 2:30 only. It closes at 2:30 p.m. So you can only have breakfast here as it closes at 2:30 p.m. And yeah, it's well known for its hash brownie, its toast, its cheese and scrambled eggs, sumptuous breakfast, and its fine Darjeeling tea. So expect waiting time because it's a very small eatery, and also they take some time to cook it because their kitchen is very small, so you have to wait a bit, but that's fine. The kind of food they give is really delicious and is worth the wait. Right then. Thanks Arijit, my subscriber and my friend, for recommending this place. And I recommend everyone to have breakfast at least once at Sonam's Kitchen. It's very close to the mall. Right then. And my Darjeeling trip comes to an end. I'm gonna go back to my hotel, check out, pay the outstanding bills, and head to Bagdogra. Done with the packing, all set. Only the shoes I have to put in. Just enjoying my last cup of tea in Ramada. Overall, it was a very nice, very comfortable stay. The hotel is a very good property, very new property, very primely located, and so the stay was very comfortable. Overall, guys, how did you like this Darjeeling series? Just let me know in the comments. I'm sure it was a break. It was a good break for me from the monotony of lockdown and work from home. And it was good. Internet was very fast. It was a good. I mean, it was a really nice experience working from Darjeeling, WFD. Ramada's Wi-Fi is really good. I recommend you staying here. The Wi-Fi is good. The net speed is. I mean, the upload speed is also pretty decent. Later on, videos were uploading very fast after the initial hiccup. With that, onwards towards Kolkata. See you guys in a new video, in a new place, at a new time. Thank you. Bye bye room. Good measure, I should say. We are here. Okay, thank you. मुझे मेल कर दिया क्या वो रिवॉर्ड का मुझे मिल जाएगा? करवा दूँगा। ठीक है, okay. चलो, thank you. Have a nice day. I'll visit again. Thank you so much. Okay. Have a good journey. Thank you.